Just look at all that dirt and grime that's on my greenhouse glass. That looks a bit grubby. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now I think I've just stumbled across the greatest greenhouse cleaning hack of all time. Now I've just bought these nice soft brushes that attach directly onto your drill. I've got a bowl of soapy water and I am literally going to start cleaning this filthy greenhouse in no time at all. So let's give it a go. Go straight in and off we go. I'm not even getting my hands wet. And we are straight away managing to clean this filthy greenhouse. Dunk it in, brush away. Dunk it in, brush away. And that is getting in all those little grooves, those little bits where all them little bugs can live. I'm just going to go across the whole thing. And the more water we can put on, the better. As you can see, nice soft bristles aren't going to damage or scratch the glass in any way. But it's instantly cleaning this greenhouse up. And it even smells nice in here too. So let me just show you what you get in the box. So for less than a tenner on Amazon, we get a nice, very soft, almost like a shaving brush, that one. That won't damage the glass at all. That'd be perfect. We get one of those. We get a medium one, very similar to the one I have been demoing already. So we get the bigger one and the large one and the medium one. This one makes me laugh. This one looks like a toilet brush. A bit more harsh, that one. So you might not want to do that one on the glass, but it might work in certain situations. And then we get a little baby one. Again, just getting into those nooks and crannies of your greenhouse. Again, really soft, won't damage the glass at all. And it also comes with, if I take this off, nearly put my drill in the water then, don't want to do that. But that pops out and that is just your extendable piece. So I could put that directly on the end of the drill if I wanted to. Just like so. But I think it is better, especially when you're dealing with a bit of water. Just put that on the end first. And then that just keeps the water away from the drill. Hopefully you can see that nicely. But I'm going to go around the whole greenhouse doing it with this. And then I'll just take the hose to it to rinse it all off. But this, I think, is absolutely amazing. I'll put the link in the description below. This will be my Amazon affiliate link. If you do want one of these, I'll get a few pennies each time you click that link and buy from Amazon from that link. So I think this is wonderful. I think this is the best greenhouse cleaning hack of all time. Do you agree? If you do, if you don't, let me know if you tried something like this before. Leave it in the comments below. But I'm over the moon with this, and hopefully I'll get a nice clean greenhouse in no time at all. We can use the little pointy one or this really little one just to get down in amongst the cracks, the hard to reach places. So behind the little bits of frame. Look at that. Straight in there, in between the glass. Push that down. That one's really good just for getting inside those cracks. That's going to get rid of all those little dirties and nasties in case anything's hiding there. This one up there. Again, you can see just going around, getting in between all those little cracks. This greenhouse has never been so cleaner. Let's give it a little go on the outside as well. Pretty sure it's going to work the same way. Not quite as important on the outside at this time of year. We're doing the inside to stop the build-up of bacteria and germs and really give it a good clean. And obviously to let more light in. This is why you want to clean your greenhouse, and that'll be what you clean the outside for. But the outside, I think, stays fairly clean because we get so much rain in the UK. It's constantly being washed off. But let's give it a little go. So again, let's put plenty of water on. You could even have the hose pipe going on at the same time, I suppose. I'm just going to give, especially in amongst those little crevices along there and the bits that are hard to reach bits. Really good to just go along that. Probably should have moved this raspberry cane out the way, but hey ho, give it a bit of a clean as well. All right, I do think this is my favourite brush head. It's the softest one. It's got a bit of a tip on the end. Really helps you get into the little nooks and crannies, little crevices of your greenhouse. So last little go over, and you can do this one really fast. So literally backwards and forwards, each pane, no problem at all. There we go, 4 done. I'm just going to rinse them off and let's compare the before and after. Now we just take our hose pipe, give it a little swirl down, swirl off, get rid of all them bubbles. Okay, just look how clean that is already. Absolutely perfect. Done 4 panes of glass there in the space of about 2 minutes. Really, really quick and easy. Just going to try and show you the comparison of the clean ones versus the non. Just got to try and get the angle, but you can already see, look at all the dirt on there. These ones haven't been done yet. If the light shines on it properly, you'll be able to see it, but hopefully lots of dirt still on those ones, which means that all I have to do is go around the whole greenhouse. Maybe you can see, yeah, that one, very dirty, very grimy, will just attract bugs and germs and bacteria. So I'm just going to go around the rest of the greenhouse now and give this a good old clean. Doesn't just have to be greenhouses, you can clean your shed too. Then again with your hose pipe, just rinse it off. Lovely job done. But if this is something that will help you clean your greenhouse quick and easy, the way the smart gardeners do it, then all the links to these brushes are in the description below. They are Amazon affiliate links, so I get a little bit of commission if you decide to buy one. This video is not sponsored, as I mentioned before. I bought them and they really have done the trick. So I'm going to get back to work. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye now.